Let's consider the function y equals x squared, and by now we're very familiar with that graph. What happens when we replace x with x minus some number, let's say 3? What's the effect on the graph when we replace x with x minus 3? As it turns out, it moves the graph to the right. You might expect, because it's minus 3, that it would move it to the left, but it doesn't. There are lots of explanations for this. Perhaps the simplest is the vertex here of the original is 0, 0. 0 squared is 0. To get to the vertex here, we would have to put in a 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 squared is 0. 3, 0 is the vertex of this second equation. So we can generalize and say if we have y equals x squared and y equals x minus h squared, and now here h is 1, it moves it 1 to the right, 2 to the right, 3 to the right. It moves the entire graph, whatever h is, horizontally. That's with y equals x minus h. So we see now the effect of replacing x with x minus h. How about replacing y with y minus k? What we can see is when k is positive, it moves it up, and when k is negative, for instance, k is negative 1, it moves the entire graph down 1. That's again replacing y with y minus k. And then we can combine these. Here we have h is equal to 1 and k is equal to 2. We've replaced x with x minus h. We've also replaced y with y minus k. And so the same thing happens. Whatever h is, that is now the horizontal translation. Whatever k is, that is the vertical translation.